my peeps. This is Material Girl 338, otherwise known as Diane. I bought yesterday, or the day before yesterday, the Dash rice cooker. And if you look at my home, I look like the abominable snowman. It's cold here. It's about 23 degrees, but with the wind chill factor, they said it's around 18 or 16. So I have sweaters on, I have pajamas on. This is the Dash rice cooker, and I'm gonna make a rice recipe. So I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have some carrots, chopped up carrots. This is some risotto, and I just washed it. And the recipe calls for a half a cup. This is some red and orange peppers, and this is some green onion. And here I have a frozen tomato. Actually, I don't want that piece. So, what the recipe calls for is to put the rice in this little tiny cup. And it's a half a cup. Now they give you a measuring cup, but they put no lines on it for half a cup, a cup. Well, we know that if it's full, oh, wait a minute. Very faintly, can you see this half a cup to a cup? Very faintly. Okay, so I'm using a risotto, which I don't see here. So I'm assuming that it's going to be like a sushi rice, because it's a thicker rice. So the sushi rice is a half a cup of dry grain to 3/4 of a cup. So I'll use my handy dandy measuring, just to be precise. Okay. And I'm going to put some green onion. Gonna put some peppers, some carrots, and some tomato. And just to be a little safe, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, just in case the rice decides to stick. We got some olive oil there. And this is so cute. It's a little pot, and I guess it goes by the weight, and there's only 2 dials. It's on and warm. So I mean, you can't go, make any mistakes. I'm going to plug it in. Cover it and cook it. When it's done, I'll let you see the finished sushi. Friends, this is the finished rice. It looks, I added some salt to it after I shut off the camera. This looks beautiful. I noticed that it was a little crispy on the bottom. See, there's some, but it may be just because I didn't add enough water to it. So I'm going to taste it. It's cooked, but I tell you what, it needs salt. So use more salt on it, or more salt in it. I'm going to put some liquid aminos in this. Just because I like that. Sorry guys, I got to open this. I normally don't do that. I have my camera on a... Okay. And if you're on keto, you can have rice, but you're supposed to have it like at night and sparingly. Right, it looks really good. Let me taste it after I put the liquid aminos in it. Very good. I did notice, however, when you do this rice, be very careful because see what it did to my tile? It left a steam trail, and I had it underneath my cabinet. So not a good idea. Keep it in an open area because the steam, can damage your cabinets. Okay? All right. Everybody, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please post them below. Please subscribe to my channel because I always have new videos coming in. Thank you. Bye, everybody.